Alright, so from the top, OS2 warp. Kind of cool. Not in use. Dumb switch. Cisco router, which isn't plugged in. Vieta router, which isn't networked. That's going to go to that. That's going to go to that. And then I'm going to have, I don't know, little things going to the Cisco. Moving down, you can see it's a little bit of a rat's nest right now, but I'm going to clean that up. Yeah, actually, Mark, this is actually your data being copied right now. You can see on the bottom. I'm actually copying Mark and music to the third drive. The third drive is actually 6 hard drives in RAID 10. So it writes to these hard drives 3 times as quick as it normally will, and it backs up the data at the same time to these hard drives. So the most important stuff is being backed up right now to multi-layers of redundancy. Underneath of that is a switch I don't know how to use, and I actually can't get it out. This screw here is stripped. So I've been, yeah, this kind of sucks. Underneath of that is my old data server. Right now it's running my 3 terabyte drive and my 2 terabyte drive. The 2 or 3 terabyte drive actually right now is the one pulling all the data to here. And once that's done, I'm actually buying a 2 terabyte drive tomorrow. I'm going to put that guy in there. And then I'm going to copy all the data from there onto that drive. And then I'm going to format that drive, put that drive in there, and use that drive and the remaining space from these drives to put all the data over to that new drive. So at the end of it, I'll have 900 gigabytes usable, empty, 1 terabyte and a half, 3 terabyte, 2 terabyte, and 2 terabyte. And there should be another 1.5 kicking around here somewhere. I lost a terabyte. And then, of course, my desktop computer is going here. I am ordering a card from Taiwan, which will allow me to connect to this guy. All the way down. So that is going to be connected to my desktop computer, which is going to have a GTX 980 in it, going to stream games to my house, but it's going to load them off this bad boy here. And hopefully 12 gigabytes in, 12 gigabytes out will be enough. I'll be able to stream it to multiple devices. This guy here, I'm going to put older hard drives in, nothing important. Or it might be my new web server, and then data server, data server, data server. I love watching these flash. Ow! Oh, alright, that hurt. Yeah, I'm actually going to be plugging these fans in too, pretty soon. Huge mess, huge mess.